So we're here in Middletown, New Jersey at the former Sears store. You can see that the sign has come down now. There's some signs on the door there that say store closed. So it's officially out of business, and we don't know what the fate is of this place at this point. It could be torn down, any day now. The development is quite rapid in Middletown. It's a typical New Jersey suburb, so they'll probably get rid of it and put something a little more attractive, some other kind of strip mall. There's strip malls all around. This is Route 35, Middletown. So anyway, before this place is torn down, I wanted to come and document a very special phenomenon about this particular place that has become part of the local lore for, teenagers and kids in this area. See, this has become known, this parking lot here. Here we have the Sears building, and behind us we have the auto center. This was the auto center of the Sears. And this has become known as the Sears Echo Wall in local Middletown legend. So what's unique is there's this phenomenon. The way this parking lot is a little bit curved, it has a kind of a bowl shape to it, and these two buildings together produces, when you stand in between the two buildings, a very unique echo sound. It echoes about 7 times between these two walls. So I'll do my best now to capture that phenomenon for you all to hear and for posterity of this special place. So first I'll just try to clap my hands a few times. Hope that picks up in the microphone here. It's quite a rich echo, and it really it's audible. It really goes back and forth numerous times. So let's see. Let's try that a few times, and then I'll try some screaming and different kinds of yelping. So that's usually more pronounced. You'll hear that a bit more. So here we go again. I'll try to capture this with the clapping. And now the yelling. Ah! 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 So there you have it. That's the Sears Echo Wall here in Middletown. And who knows what will happen, but wanted to capture it. And thank you.